Good morning from Lake Louise. Madness in the parking lot, even at 6 in the morning. It looks like it's going to be full within like 5 minutes.
Wow.
Look at that.
People are here already.
Wow. Come on, follow me and see the moon.
It's alright, I'm going to interrupt. It just might be easier.
There's Anna. She's heading off. She's eager to get to the Bears Hump, which is right up over here. We've arrived at Moraine Lake, and our ultimate objective is the Bears Hump, and to get to the top there. And here we go. As we are heading up the Lake Agnes Trail, we see the moon and our objective right ahead, the Beehive. What do you think, Heather?
Spectacular. Very sweaty, but it's totally worth it.
Wow. It's always worth a hike when you either get a rainbow or a waterfall. Oh, our first glimpse of Lake Agnes. Here's the tea house.
Spectacular.
After a pretty impressive hike, we've arrived at Lake Agnes. And you can see its beautiful reflections panning around. And there's Heather. There's a tea room.
From Agnes Tea House.
Good morning. Look at that beautiful sunshine, the waterfall, the lake. Absolutely beautiful morning.
At 2,130.
All right, we are ready for our treat at the Lake Agnes Tea House. Chocolate cake, energy bar, and tea biscuits. Off to the Beehive for the penultimate part of our hiking today in Lake Louise. Agnes Lake, it's beautiful.
Uphill climb.
But Agnes Lake here is on our left, and the reflective nature of it is just spectacular. You can't beat hiking through this scenery. It just invigorates you. The hike to the Beehive takes you around to the back part of Lake Agnes, which is a very pleasant walk, fairly easy grade, a little bit of rockiness. You can see the erosion bringing down all these rocky boulders that we're traversing at the moment. But it does bring us to the end of the lake.
Oh, look at that. 3/4 of the way up the Beehive Trail, and we will eventually reach the top of this mountain. And down below we see the beautiful aqua Lake Agnes. And we are all very much out of breath. That's amazing.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Get that side there. There.
Made our day.
Oh,
If you can do it.
Almost at the top after a fair bit of exertion. And I stopped to say congratulations to a married couple.
Who were hiking up and down.
In their wedding attire.
In their wedding attire. With some hiking boots on.
That's the way to do it.
A little dodgy spot to walk through some of the gravelly area. But even though it was a narrow ledge, high up. We still traversed it successfully, and we're almost at the top of the peak. I'm going to show you the downward slope in just a moment. Coming into view is the rock slide that we just crossed. And there's a couple coming close to the challenging peaks. Here we go. We're coming into the open as we summit at the Beehive. You can see the light at the end of the tunnel. This is what we're talking about. These beautiful vistas.
Just wait until you can see Lake Louise from the top. It'll be spectacular.
I'm just happy that these are the switchbacks finished.
Look at all those people down there, how tiny they look. We started over there.
Here she comes. Sierra Club's #1 hiking champ. Beautiful, still air, and you've got the Jasper, or not the Jasper, sorry. You've got the Lake Louise Fairmont. We were at the Jasper Fairmont the other night. Beautiful aqua blue water. Beautiful.
Hello from the top of Beehive Trail. You can see the beautiful Lake Louise.
So what did you think of your Beehive lunch up here? Anna?
Fabulous.
And there's the
Incredible.
Chateau down there.
Spectacular. Once in a lifetime.
All right, now for the easier trek down. Feels so much better looking at what people have to do after we've already done it. And to think you got all that rock slide there that we avoided by doing the switchbacks through the trees. Then we walked along the ridge to the beautiful vista. Now, a bit of a rocky road to Dublin back to the Chateau.
Wow.
The girls are taking a photo of the Beehive, which is up there. We're up and back, even with time at the tea house and a half an hour lunch at the top. We did it in 5 hours. Not a bad pace. And now we've got the beautiful sun hitting the water, and the colors are magnificent. And there's a hotel. Very happy to be down in the Beehive, and we're going to enjoy a nice lunch, nice drink, and then leave you with this beautiful scenery. As you can see, the Chateau looks very vibrant in the sunshine and with all the flowers, and much busier today. You can see the crowds really get thick in the afternoon. We're doing the Parks Canada shuttle into Moraine Lake. As at this time of the day, the parking is absolutely wild. It gives us a chance to relax after our morning hiking endeavor. Arrived at Moraine Lake and currently on top of the rock pile, looking down on the lake.
你负责拍视频吗？我们拍照。爸爸给你照一点。
I'm the highest.
Till we're on top of the rock pile, looking all the way down. Magnificent Moraine Lake up into the mountains. These are two angry bears that I found on the trail here at my Moraine Lake. Apparently we need 2 more to walk down this very precarious trail, so as a result they're a lot happier. We only have 3.
I thought I should tell you because if he finds out later and then he's like, why should you tell me?
We're walking down the main strip that's cordoned off, and we're heading towards the Three Bears restaurant where we're going to have some food. What did we buy already?
A dog toy for Paisley. It's a small caribou, and I think she'll be thrilled.
All right, let's go. All right, we are at the Three Bears Brewery. We have got a flight, and here is some of the samplings that we have. We have IPA, binary Pilsner, and we have a beer infuser, which has some fresh peach and mango, and we've got a dark roasted brown ale. And we're just waiting on our elk pizza.
Yes.
As well as some other delicacies to round off a fabulous day of hiking. And we're going to zoom around here to Heather, and followed by Dad and the kitchen is behind us. We've got a beautiful Alberta beef and bacon burger, a summer fresh salad, wild elk pizza, and an amazing crab donut, along with our beers.